In the world of elite athletes, the path to greatness is often paved with relentless dedication and unwavering belief. SamHauser, once an undrafted rookie, now stands as a testament to perseverance, rising from the shadows to become a pivotal force in the NBA. SamHauser ka safar surf ek kil ki kahani nahi, baki ek masal hai ki kai's lagan, saber, or minutisi har mushkil ko par Kiya ja sakta hai. Jab aksar players ko on initial setbacks ku bad rook madlina pad hai. Samini kabi apni jasbi ko kamzer nahi hon diya. Undrafted Ray Carr, BS NBA ku Sabse Bari Manch par apni jagabane. Jahan har shot, har pass, or har defensive play uski minute ki gawahi dita hai. Boston Celtics Jays historic franchise main apni jaga banain kuliya surf talent ka hona kafi nahi hoda. Sam any apni versatility se apni value bad high. Was surf ek sharpshooter nahi baki ek team player, hi Joe apni teammates ko support karta high. Ball movement ko enhance karta high. Or har whack court par apna, 100% dita high. Uski basketball IQ at nianchi high ku a game ko pad lita high. Or abni ko, har situation commutabik adjust karta high. Uski shooting stats uski dedication ka sabut hain. Team point line se, wahar wak katrabanta high. Or defense ko uska mark karna mushkil hojata high. Lekin shooting kasafsaf, Hauser any apni physical conditioning par become Kiya high. JISSE, wa fast breaks main tetsi se dud sakta high. Or apni defense ko be masbut banata high. Is waja se Celtics ku coaches as par barosa kardi hain. Or waxar game ku crucial moments, main use court par bej tain. Sam ki kahani ane players, ku liebi ek roshni hi jo draft nahi ode. Yajinko starting lineup main jaga nahi milti. Usandai kaya hi ku agar jazba ho. To haruk palat sakta high. G-League main uski performances any NBA teams ko convince Kiya ku wa deserving high. Or us nabni makeo kabi waste nahi hon diya. Celtics kusaf SamHauser karishta surf ek player team. Karishta nahi baki ek mutual understanding. Hijahan dano ek dusaki growth main invest kardi hain. Jab wa apni career high 33 points game main nazar at a high. To was surf ek statistic nahi. Baki uski minute ka natija hoda high. Wub surf ek sharpshooter nahi. Baki Celtics key future championship hopes ka hissa high. Lekin har success ku piche challenges biod hain. Playoffs kudoranuski injury, any na surfuski team ko impact Kiya. Baki fans could dilmain be fikapida kardi. Lekin Celtics ki medical team or Sam ki positive approach any uski recovery ko tetsi se age badhaya. Yehi resilience usko age badni or apni limit ko tadni main madad karda high. Sam ki personality biuski kale se kam nahi. Wa abni humility kuliya jana jata high. Hamisha abni seniors se sikni ki koshish karta high. Or younger players ko motivate karta high. Locker room main uska positive attitude team spirit ko boost karta high. AJ ku NBA main jahan har player apni alag pachin banana chata high. SamHauser any apni unique identity banai high. Was surf ek scorer nahi. Baki ek all around player high jo defense, passing. Or team coordination main became all karta high. Celtics ku fans uski nam ku piche SamHauser, ku tag ku soft uski sharpshooting, or athletic dunks ko celebrate kardi hain. Ain whale seasons main SamHauser se bohat umididin judy hui hain. Uski young age or consistent improvement usko NBA ku elite shooters, key list, main shamil karn ki taraf, lajara hi hain. Agar wa apni health kyle rake or apni skills ko polish karta rahi. To wa Celtics kuliak long-term asset sabit haga. Sam ki story humian yasakati hai kukale main success surf talent se nahi adi. Baki as talent ko barker rockni kulia dedication, patience. Or team kusaf coordination zarori high. Wa ekes player ki masal hai jo kabi bi apni limits ko except nahi karta or hamesha batari ki taraf bada high. Is video kuzari hamapko SamHauser ki journey ku wo pela daikana chat hain jo surf scoreboard par nai bakiuski and ar kajazbi or koshish main chup hain. Har game, har shot, or har dinuski minute ka sabut high. SamHauser NBA ka wanam hai jo ajabi abni kahani league raha high. Or jo kale kudino the main basketball lovers